Welcome to the San Francisco General Hospital Foundation Evaluator tutorial. My name is Lori Mitchell and I'm with the Common Grant application. And this is going to be a brief video showing evaluators how to use our site to evaluate applications. Currently you're looking at the dashboard. This is the page you land on after you log into our site. In order to log into our site, you need to be issued a username and password by the administrator of the account. It'll come to you via email, and you can go to www.commongranapplication.com and click on the Login button in the upper right-hand corner. After you log in, and you see from the dashboard, there are 58 open applications. There are two links you can use to evaluate them. The Review Evaluations All 58, if you click on it, lists all your applications that you've been assigned. It lets you know the evaluation status if not completed, and you can click on any application number and go in and evaluate it. There is also a Start Evaluations Step by Step. This drops you into the first application you've been assigned. In this case it's 18381. Drops you right into the evaluation matrix, and at the bottom there is a Save and Next, so you can go right to the next application instead of going back to the list. So there's two options you can choose. So let's look at this application. Obviously before we evaluate it we need to read it, and the application is in a tab format. So you've got your Contact tab here, you got your Organization tab, Organization Supplemental Questions, the Program tab, this is what they're asking funding for. The Program Background, Questions and Answers. Program Documents that they've uploaded. In this case, it's the budget, so you click on the link here to open it up. And Program Supplemental Questions and Answers. Then there's an Application tab, which is the amount they're requesting. You can also find some of this information in the application summary to the right. Doesn't matter what tab you're on, if you're ready to evaluate it, you can click on the My Evaluation 1 button over on the right-hand side. So let's look at the evaluation. At the very top there's something called General Notes. If you click on the General Notes yellow pencil, you can type General Notes that you'd like to share about the application. And then we're going to scroll down and look at the score ranges, 1 being weak, 2 average, 3 strong, and 4 outstanding. So if you look over here, the first question is need. How well does the proposal identify a compelling need? So you can put in a 1, 2, 3, or 4. So in this case I'm just going to put a 3. I also want to point out there's a General Notes with a yellow pencil that if you want to type notes about this question or your answer, you can type them here. There's also an abstain box. You have to score or abstain from every question in order for the evaluation to be considered complete. So I'm going to go through and just put some numbers and scores in each box. Again, you need to make sure you score each box. At the very end, number 7, are there IT, facilities, materials, management issues that need to be considered? And so over here, you're going to want to type either yes or no in here, or you're going to want to click abstain. So if you don't abstain or type in notes here, you will not have that question answered. So I'm going to go ahead and click Save instead of Save and Next. And I'm going to go back to the dashboard. And I'm going to show you now that I only have 57 applications that I need to evaluate out of the 58. So if I click on my list of 58, you can see at the very top, the first one has been tagged as completed. If you have any questions for the Common Grant application, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.